This exercise is called the three hands positions, and this is how it works.
Yeah, can I have a volunteer to help me show the exercise?
I can go.
Yeah? Okay, Sonia, thank you. So the exercise is very simple. Yeah? We have three movements. We stand in front of each other. Yeah? So we have three movements. To the right, to the left, and up. But it's not an imitation exercise. Okay? We do at our own pace. I decide which movement I do, and Sonia decides which movement she does. Okay? Let's try. Okay? Fast.
Sorry.
Okay, so we do it like pace. No, like a pace. It has to have a pace. Okay? 3, 2, have to do it at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
When the two participants do the same movement, they have to clap each other's hands. This exercise improves concentration and reaction speed. It encourages nonverbal connection and eye contact. And it energizes participants and increases attention levels.